Okay, game guys. So, tanggalin lang natin yung music para marinig nyo ako na maayos. No? Saan ba yan? Saan ba natin makikita yan? So, kung nakikita nyo, 2K22 lang muna yung gagamitin natin. No, bakit 2K22 lang? Kasi wala pa tayong pera. Kakabili lang natin ng PS4 natin, no? Ano lang, tamang ipon lang. Hindi ko makita kung nasan yung ano, guys. Yung 2K bits. Ay, 2K bits. Pero, paano kaya natin i-off yan? Ah, okay. Baka ganun. Yun, ganun lang siguro, no? Science, start natin. Play now tayo. Tingnan natin kung ano yung pinagkaiba ng graphics. Kasi nasanay ako sa sa PS3 lang. Ang nilalaro ko lang sa PS3, NBA 2K18, since ayun yung pinaka-latest na NBA sa sa PS3, no? So ngayon ko lang din matatry itong PS4 2K22. Pero nakita ko naman sa review niya, talagang solid yung graphics. Pero ito makikita natin. So ano kayong pipiliin natin, team? Yung try muna natin, gawin muna natin rookie yung difficulty niya. Kasi hindi pa tayo ganun kasanay eh. Baka naman matambakan tayo ng kalaban natin. Siyempre, alam niyo naman, computer, malalakas yan. No? Paano ba random dito? Ito random team. Tapos tayo, pili tayo ng parang trip ko yung again. 2022 lang to, no? So, hindi updated yung roster na ito kung mapapansin nyo. Ito, Warriors tayo. Game. Yan. So, ko lang din subukan mag-vlog. Wala, na-inspire ako sa mga napapanood ko. Yan. Hindi natin i-skip para makita natin. Totoo na yung pinapakita nilang lugar, no? Ay, sa PS3 ba pinapakita? Hindi ko na maalala. Hindi yata pinapakita yung mga lugar doon, no? Grabe. Solid yung graphics pala na ito, no? So, naisip ko paano pa kaya yung 2K25, no?
Our reporter is Ali LaForce. Ali, take it away.
Meron pang interview. Sorry guys kung parang ignorante ako kasi ngayon lang natin matatry ito eh. Yung gantong graphics, PS4. Ngayon lang talaga ako nagka-PS4. Pangarap lang natin ito dati. Grabe, pati sapatos talaga. Quality yung sapatos nila. Nakita ko yung sapatos, si Giannis yun ah. Tapos nakita ko yung sapatos ni Klay Thompson. Solid boy. Try natin. Tingnan natin kung makakaano tayo.
Forward, it's Brown Jr. and Hachimura. Dinwiddie and Beal.
Hindi natin nakuha yun.
And it's Bryant in at the center position. And for the Warriors. The core
tinakdakan agad tayo. Sorry, hindi tayo
brothers in the
kasanay.
backcourt with Draymond at 4. Wiseman is out there with Andrew Wiggins.
Ako ba to? Makakagalaw ba ako? Ay, okay. Jordan Poole versus Curry. Nice
He
one.
buries that one.
Dos lang yun. Kala ko
This guy is
tres.
a pick your poison kind of player. Very hard defensively.
Sorry, di pa ako marunong maglaro. Hindi tayo gamer.
Remember, in ACL
Kanya lang tayo. Set tayo ng pick kay Draymond Green. Pasa. Nice one. Yun ang bangko natin, guys. Sorry.
Draymond Green in the screen and roll as the roll man is a dangerous option because of his strength.
Hachimura,
Sa ngayon, voice, muna tayo. Voice recording muna tayo.
I'll tell you, that vertical
Pero pag medyo nagamay-gamay na natin, try natin mag-record ng mukha.
may not have great size, but boy, he plays bigger than it.
Pass to Thompson.
Nalilito ko. Ano ba gagawin natin? Yun.
And he's going for the oop here.
Nice one.
And it's hammered home by Green.
Grabe yung graphics.
This guy's a sensational athlete.
Na
Got
ko.
himself into
Yun
great shape.
yung kulay ng court, diba? May mga ilaw na nagre-reflect siya ng maayos, hindi katulad sa PS3, no?
Oh, no doubt. He's
Hindi natin
really
nabantayan
increased his
yung
range. This guy can hit big shots, whether it's coming off the
Very.
catch or off the bounce. He's able to make plays for others, and this guy has one of the best assist return
Mismatch, hindi natin kaya.
Now here's Thompson.
Sa tayo ng pick. Okay?
Outside
Okay.
Curry.
Nice one.
Pass to
Nice
Green.
one, guys.
Hammered home by Green.
Draymond Green.
Where you get a sense of the recognition.
Oh,
of Steph
grabe yung
Curry,
pawis
how
talaga,
quickly he
kuwang-kuha,
moves
no?
through his progression. Because boy, if you're open, he's going to give it to you.
Solid talaga, Sony. Nice one. Yun lang. Lagi tayong naiiwan. Para tayong hindi talaga marunong.
How good a playmaker are we watching? Always leading,
Kailangan
always
natin
trying
ball
to create for
movement.
others.
Kaso hindi ako marunong.
Outside Curry.
Hello, hindi iniiwan si Curry. Oo. Step
41
back.
seconds left now.
Hindi ko nakita yung indicator, pero pasok, man.
Curry's got 5 now.
Well, I'm not sure there's a player in the league with a better feel for
Nice one.
Steph Curry. If he gets
Ay,
it off the
God.
you know it's going in.
Uy, Hachimura. Si Hachimura nasa Washington pa, no? Lakers na siya
That's the
ngayon.
shot they wanted. It just didn't fall.
I think expect them to go back to it because that's the kind of shot this offense is designed to generate.
Pero tatry natin
He's got
mag-online.
5.
Yun, no?
Passes to Curry. Another
Ball
three for
movement.
Golden State.
Tatry natin mag-online.
More dangerous catch and shoot
Para
player in the
ma-update
NBA
natin
than
yung
Steph
roster,
Curry.
no?
If you give him space, look out.
Three-pointer Beal. Oh, and the release was before the
Paano
buzzer.
kaya mag-online
But a goal
dito?
target. Stephen Curry getting it done.
Kasi
for the Golden
nagsi-server
State.
error sa akin eh. Hindi kaya tinurn off na nila yung server ng
Sporting family.
2K22.
Bradley Beal's brother.
No? Feeling ko tinurn off na nila. Kasi 2K20, magto-2025
Give
na
the
eh.
people what they want. And I'd
Pero
say
huwag naman
he
sana
found his
ganun, no?
calling.
Hindi pa tayo nakaka-perfect release ah.
Played through one quarter in this one. Now, what do you guys think about the Warriors here in this one?
They're off to a rock
Uy.
solid start. They brought a well thought out
Pero lamang pala tayo ah. Ngayon ko lang nakita yung yung scoring. Yun lang sablay.
Moody is out there.
Ngayon ko
with
lang
Stephen
nakita yung
Curry.
scoring ah.
Then it's
Lamang pala
Nemanja
tayo.
Bjelica. Then it's Andre Iguodala. And it's Looney in at center.
Yun lang.
So that's the group out
Huli
there
ka,
for
boy.
Golden State. And keeping us updated from the sideline, Allie LaForce.
Thanks, Brian. Well, just about every discussion of
Alam
the
nyo, guys,
NBA trade
pangarap
market
na pangarap
comes
ko
back to
talaga
the Washington
mag-vlog.
Wizards. And all-star shooting guard Bradley
Kasi nanood-nood
Beal on
lang
the team
tayo
that
kay
hasn't made
JC
the playoffs in
Caloy.
3 seasons.
Ay, yung mga
Something's
Von,
gotta
kay
give.
Von
And guys
Ordona.
with Beal possessing an
Diba?
opt-out
Yung mga
after the season,
nag-i-stream.
expect those talks
Kaya-
to intensify.
Yeah, that's a good
Gusto ko
point.
talagang i-record yung paglalaro ko kahit alam kong di ako marunong. Wala lang, syempre parang ano lang, para may babalikan tayo.
That makes him 4 out of 5.
Ano, pagtanda
It's fun for
natin,
us
di
to
ba?
sit back and watch him go to work. But
At least
that's
may mga
our job, not the
moments tayong
defense's.
babalikan.
They left him too open on that play.
Now here is Harold. Now quiet so far offensively, searching for his
Kaya
first
ngayon,
points of the game.
enjoy muna tayo hanggat wala pa tayong responsibilidad.
Curry against Bertans. Pass to Bjelica. Outside Curry. Now here's Looney.
Dambay mo, dambay mo. Ay, Sorry, kamali ako pindot. 3 seconds violation tayo. Sorry akin.
Second call. So both teams changing it up here. Dinwiddie with it. Now guarded by Curry.
Uy, naiwan. Ba't mo naman iniwan, Thompson? Makahabol tayo
Nice assist
niyan.
from Dinwiddie. Caldwell Pope's gotten himself going with a triple. His first basket of the game. Pass to Curry. Here's Thompson. Wiggins passes to Thompson. Fires a
Pasok mo.
three.
Nice one.
And that's good. Stephen Curry for three. Curry's got 13.
So yun na, no? Sobrang ganda talaga ng
4
graphics.
of the last 5 buckets have been threes.
Now a timeout called by
Nung
Washington.
PS3 pa lang, gusto ko na talagang
One of the best shooters, hands down.
mag-video ba ng nilalaro. Kaso paano, di ba? Meron bang self-recording ang
He's checked
PS3?
in for Washington.
Pagkakaalam ko,
Now
wala eh.
here's Dinwiddie.
Eto, kakapanood ko kay JC Caloy.
Ooh, rejected by Wiseman.
Kakapanood ko kay JC
Wiggins
Caloy.
outside.
Napagtanto ko, ano. Mag-vlog na rin tayo. Wala namang mawala. Tsaka gustong gusto ko rin talagang mag-vlog. Yung gusto ko, maririnig ko yung boses ko. Kahit na-OA yan ako sa boses ko.
We played a little over 2.5 minutes now.
Gusto pa rin natin
Wiseman finds
mag-vlog.
Thompson. And Wiseman
Kasi
the bucket.
panahon niya yun, vlogger, yayaman
Come on
talaga.
now, this guy is more than just a great shooter. Klay
Charot
Thompson,
lang. Siyempre,
really good feel
hindi rin
for the
naman lahat.
offense.
Uy, iwan ako.
Dinwiddie, right side.
Ano? Nice one.
Tipped away.
Takbo.
Curry against
Ang pangit ng pasa
Inside.
ko.
Here's Kuminga. And denied.
Sorry
He
guys.
sends
Ang
it
pangit
right
ng
off the
pasa ko.
glass.
That's his first personal foul. First team foul. Wizards up.
From deep.
Sablay yan. Lamang pa rin kami 9.
Appreciated, Ali. And we'll be coming right back after this break. Ready for the third quarter.
It's the 2K
Excited na ako
Sports
ma-edit
halftime
ako
show.
ma-upload to, guys.
Hello, basketball. What a start it was for Stephen Curry. He had 13 points, 2 rebounds, and 3 assists. And that'll do it for our...
Meron pang ganun, no? Halftime show. Sa PS3, walang ganun. Papakita lang yung puntos mo.
And we've got third quarter basketball here. 2 quarters in the books. Stephen Curry having a dominant impact in this game.
The numbers say it all. He spent the first half playing efficient ball.
I think they've taken their time.
Curry.
They've showed incredible
Curry.
patience. It's a
Curry.
sign of a well-coached
Try nga natin bigyan ng libreng
And so
tira
the
si
game for
Curry.
Washington.
Paano ba?
At the 4 and the 5, it's
12 seconds na
Hachimura
lang
and
pala.
Bryant. Beal the off guard
Yeah,
with Abdi
mo.
at the 3. And it's Dinwiddie
Yun, oh.
in at the 1. Now here's Curry.
May nakaharang pa yun, guys. Try natin ulit yun. Dapat mas mahabang oras. Medyo nagmadali tayo kanina eh.
Really just, playing on some
Uy!
great teams with
Sino
great
yun?
players.
Abidja.
The
Hindi ko kilala yun ah.
experiences. I didn't win an NBA championship, but I am more than
Isa pa,
blessed
isa
with
pa.
having
Bigyan niyo ako ng
a
screen.
19-year career.
Bigyan niyo ako ng screen. At dyan, dapat dito sa kabila. O yan, yun na lang, sa'yo na lang. Bakit sa kabila, no? Pwede ba makontrol yun?
Curry's got 4 assists now tonight.
We've seen
Uli.
that more than once today.
Allah!
Effortless basket inside.
Sorry guys.
Washington has
Ginagawa
gone
ko.
4 of 8 from
Uy,
3. A nice
tira mo
percentage.
pa, ha?
Deal with it. Guarded
Huli
now
ka.
by Wiseman. And it's Hachimura
Pass break,
missing.
pass break,
Well, this
pass
is the
break.
kind of shot we've come
Pass
to
break,
expect him
pass
to
break.
make. He's got
Nice
to be upset
one.
with
Bang,
that one.
bang.
Oh, got that one up quick. Wiggins has got his
Kala
first
mo
bucket of the
marunong eh,
game.
no? Nakaruki lang kasi yung difficulty niyan, guys.
Boy, everyone getting to their spots and then capitalizing. 3 for 4 in the quarter. Beautiful.
Uy,
Bryant on
iwan
the drop.
tayo.
And then Bryant with the dunk.
This goes to
How about that
Oh,
mobility?
Curry uli, oh.
Big man
Tara,
Thomas
magtaas tayo.
Bryant exploding.
You know, when the Lakers needed to create cap space to
Ano ba
sign
yan?
LeBron James in
Ginagawa
summer
ko.
of 18, LA was forced to waive Thomas Bryant.
It's rare for teams to give
Yeah.
quality
Good
players
vibes
on
lang
the
tayo.
waiver wire. But Washington snagged Bryant.
Quick
Thomas
game lang
became a
naman to.
solid
Hindi naman to
starting center.
tournament.
Just about 60% shooter from the
So, since first vlog lang naman natin to.
Looney's
Quick
checked
game
in
lang
for the
muna.
Warriors.
Try lang,
Iguodala comes in
kapakapalang
for
muna
Stephen
tayo.
Curry. Bertans checked in
Alam
for
niyo, pag
Washington.
nagamay-gamay na,
Kuzma
di ba?
comes in for
Ayun,
Avdia.
oh.
And then
Nagaganyan
Bryant
pa
with the
tayo.
dunk.
And just a lack of fight right
Kailangan
now on the
natin
defensive end.
mag-focus. Yan.
Right? At least on that slam it was. That's one way to let a
Para
team back in
Draymond.
the game.
Right, you could see on that possession, one
Nice
side
one.
playing with a little desperation.
Hindi ganun
the other
kaganda
side
pero may
losing
puntos.
focus.
Mahalaga may
And trust me,
puntos.
when the D's slow to react, he'll be the first guy to make them pay.
And that's typical of this
Uy!
guy. He's always reading the situation.
Wala naman, rep.
Quickly and capitalizing.
Nana.
And the Warriors making a switch here.
Nana,
Bielitsa's
Rep,
checked
Nana.
in. Harrell's checked in for Washington. Caldwell Pope comes in for Dinwiddie. Kuzma outside. There's 37 seconds left in the third. Here's Harrell. That shot missing. Nice D from Thompson. Golden State is gone 5 of 6 from three-point land so far. Wiggins outside. Pass
Nice
to Thompson.
one. Meron kayang audio to guys, yung laro.
Their
Hindi ko sure may
offense
audio.
run
Sana
has
may
been
audio, no?
tremendous. It's led to a lot of good, clean, open looks.
Hindi kayo mag-i-enjoy pag walang
Beal, the pass
audio
to
yan, no?
Bertans. And he banks in the layup.
They're really looking to that inside game here in the second half. Getting away from
Sana
taking a bunch
meron.
of threes.
Nag-overthink na ako.
Here's Iguodala.
Nag-overthink na ako kung meron o
While in the
wala.
act of shooting, so he'll take 2 free throws.
His first personal foul.
Well, the athleticism and speed gets Andre Iguodala to the rack, and then the strength of frame to absorb the
Pasok yan,
hit.
parehas.
That's also good, so he hits
Dinig,
both free
dinig nyo
throws.
kaya yung laro? Nag-overthink na ako, men.
And now we're 3 minutes into this third quarter
Hindi
of
ko muna
play.
chinek ko pala muna, no?
Here's Beal. And good. Got the friendly bounce off the right side of the rim. Beal's got his second basket on the
Man.
night. And so it's the Golden State
Siyempre,
Warriors.
tatapusin natin
A
to.
sizable lead of 14 at the break.
Since 1 hour yata ang maximum nito. Masama nun, 1 hour walang tunog. Talo pag nilalaro mo. Yung zombie. Paano matatakot yung nanonood sa'yo kung walang tunog, di ba? Eto, first try lang naman natin. Sana may tunog to.
Kevon Looney is out there.
Sana
with
may
Nemanja
tunog to,
Bjelica. Then it's
guys.
Andrew Wiggins.
Takdak mo yan,
Then it's
men.
Moody. And it's
Siyempre,
Iguodala
pasok na
in
yan.
the three spot. So that's the group out there for
Moses
Golden
Moody.
State.
What a great look by Andre Iguodala. We know he's unselfish. and
Uy,
there's space
yun
for
lang,
his
tres
guys
agad ang
to
bawi.
find it.
Two open that
Yun lang
time.
talaga
Made it
dito,
easy.
no? Kapag nalibre talaga,
What a setup. Terrific
Kabahan ka
ball
na.
movement there.
matik na magtitres sila eh.
To the paint.
Uy!
Here's Looney.
Uy,
Hits the
peke,
layup.
men.
Sweet pump fake
Tambak
to raise the
na.
D. Looney's got his first points of the night.
Another shot right in the lane. That's been their MO this evening.
Washington calls timeout.
Pwede pala maging coach, no? Balikan pa ba na? Siyempre si Kerry, balik natin. Ba't di niya pinapasok si Kerry? Jordan Poole pala nandito pa eh. Mali ako eh. Kala ko si Jordan Poole yung kalabang kanina. Sorry. Nagawa ko. Yan. Try na si Jordan Poole. Malakas pa si Jordan Poole dito.
Hachimura's checked in
Eh,
for
nakala ko si Jordan Poole yung
Comes in for
26 oh.
Kuzma, and it's Dinwiddie in
Yan,
for Caldwell
Jordan
Pope.
Poole
All right,
tayo.
let's check in with
Ayan na,
Alan
Betsy.
LaForce.
Paul agad, kakapasok mo lang, men.
Washington head coach said to the team, he did everything he could to fire the team up, saying, quote, I don't
Wala
care how
pang
worn down we
3
are.
seconds.
We can do this.
Foul agad.
Attack and take what's ours. Let's go out
Gigil na
there,
gigil
show
eh.
them it's
Kaya
not over.
sinusuntok ka ni
Good job there,
Draymond
Allie,
Green eh.
thanks. And that was a great
Uy,
replay. We
iwan
just saw
tayo.
our mobile one block.
Sige, babawi si Jordan
Obviously,
Poole.
He had the shot well anticipated, able to shut it down with authority.
Oh, that release by Beal just so
Babawi si
pure.
Jordan Poole sa inyo. Akala nyo. Uy, uy.
Poole
Ang galing
outside.
mag-dribble mo.
Pass to Bielitsa. Back to Poole.
Wala na, hindi na alam gagawin. Yun oh.
2 minutes remaining in the game. 2 minutes.
Siyempre, pasok yan. And a pretty girl.
Curry's got 5 assists in the game.
And an excellent job distributing the ball tonight. You can really see his
Iwan
feel
ako.
for the game.
And that's been his role
Ankle
pretty
breaker
much
tayo,
all
guys.
season. Get the ball to guys where they can score it. Well, as usual, this
Jordan
guy cooking
Poole.
on the offensive end, but right now,
Sablay.
the other guys on his team have got to step forward.
Isa pa, patetresin natin yan. Hindi pwedeng
Here in
hindi.
the fourth. Down low.
Huli.
Dinwiddie.
Ang galing ni Dinwiddie.
That pass had to be
Jordan
thrown
Poole.
not
Gusto ko
only in
makatry
the
si
right
Jordan
spot,
Poole eh.
but at the
Nakalis na nga
right
sa
time.
Warriors yun.
Poole outside.
Okay, set tayo ng screen para makapag-dress ka. Ay, mali.
And we've made our way through just over a minute and a
Pasok
half of
mo
this
yan.
fourth quarter.
Wala, mukhang di makakapag-tres si Jordan
For
Poole.
Washington, they've got all 4 shots to go in this final quarter. Pass to Dinwiddie.
Huli! Yun lang, si Curry yung natira. Mismatch.
Shot good.
What I love about Bradley Beal is he is
Curry
effective,
nagdadala ng
efficient
bola.
scorer. He always
Nagdadala ng
takes
bola.
quality shots.
Nagset ng screen. Nagset ng screen. Kala titira. Pero ipapasa kay Poole. Sablay pa rin. Wala.
That shot off.
Wala to.
Washington the other way now. To the middle. And it's slammed in
Pupuntos na nga
by
tayo. Nahabol na tayo. Baka mahabol pa yan. 7 points, 50 seconds. Focus lang, focus lang. Yun, oh.
Curry
Yun, oh.
goes in.
Ganda
And
na.
they pick up 2. And the Warriors lead by 9.
Absolutely ruthless. He's
Yeah.
not about to start
Yung
showing
mga
mercy
kalagpas,
now.
man.
Well, when it's closing time, he's trying to lock
Rebound,
the door.
rebound.
He's been going
Mismatch sa
all night.
rebound.
And the dunk by Gafford.
Puntos, puntos tayo, guys.
Oh my. What a display of effort.
Uy,
That's his bread and butter, right? Chasing down the boards.
What about the decisive finish?
Gagi.
Great timing, tremendous force.
pasok mo na, Poole. Nice one.
And it comes off an assist from
Wala
Curry.
na, di na tayo
Gotta give
mahabol
them
niyan.
respect. They're doing everything they can to close this out.
Well, just terrific teamwork. Each guy doing his
Sayang.
part. You love what you're
Dumapaan
seeing
siya.
from them tonight.
And as it goes out of bounds, Washington able to keep
Kala ko talaga si Jordan Poole yung nasa Washington. Kamuka eh.
15 seconds left in the fourth quarter of this one. Beal, the pass to
Wala
Dinwiddie.
yan. Covered.
The offensive
Uli.
rebound. And here's Bryant outside. That shot is off.
2. Pasok yan.
Thompson from deep
Boosh.
three-point land. On the money.
So ayun guys. Thank you sa panonood ng ating unang vlog, no?
Well, for all intents and purposes,
Sana
this
talaga
game
may
is over.
sana talaga may audio tong record
So
natin
it's
sa
the
PS
Warriors
po.
taking care of business
Pag
in
walang
this
audio, iyak.
competitive game. You have to feel like this
Mumukha tayong corny.
little extra edge.
Kahit corny naman talaga. Pero syempre, di ba, hindi maganda panoorin pag walang audio.
Just a
So sana may audio siya.
All right, Allie's ready
Kung
to
wala,
go. She's
hindi ko alam
courtside.
paano natin
Hey, Allie.
gagawa ng paraan.
I'm here now with Klay Thompson and Klay.
Ayun, thank you sa
congratulations on the
panonood,
win.
guys.
How satisfying is it winning games in front of
Sana
this
next
good
video
crowd?
panoorin nyo pa rin ako. Yung mga corning vlog natin. Marami yan. Marami tayong lalaroin. Pero mag-ipon muna tayo pambili ng CD. So, bye-bye.
It's one of the best places to play in the league, no doubt. Thanks, Klay.
All right, Allie, thank you.